morning, guys. Welcome back. I know I just did a video. I uploaded it this morning, but I'm going to do another one. You're wondering where I'm going at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to work. I am going to go wash my car right now. So basically what I'm gonna do today is I don't know if you guys saw in the news, but lottery is up to over $400 million. So I'm gonna go to a spot that is known for winning a lot. I mean, your chances are like next to none, but you know, might as well try, right? But I played Mega Million last night, and that only paid me $12. I spent $50, got $12. So yeah, only play if you can afford it. I can't really afford it, but I'm gonna play. So anyways, I'm on my way to the car wash. Once I get to the car wash, once I leave there, I'm gonna go to this it's a famous spot. Me and my brother were actually on the news when we were waiting there. I think was it a year ago or 2 years ago? Me and my brother were actually on the news. Pretty cool. If I can find it, I'll post it. So anyways, on the way to the car wash, and then I'll be on my way. Well, I'll tell you after I'm done. Be right back in a minute. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's Wednesday, January 6th, I believe. I think it's January 6th. Anyways, it's Wednesday in January. So anyways, I'm on another adventure. So today, okay, here's the story. Last night I was watching the news, and I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but Powerball and Mega Million lottery is up over $400 million. So, of course I gotta play. Everyone else is playing, I'm gonna play. So, I'm on my way to a place called Bluebird Liquor. I'm not sure, I posted a while back. Me and my brother were waiting in line, and then we ended up on the news. They recorded us on standing in line at this Bluebird Liquor. There was like a long line. Me and my brother actually got online, or got on the news. That was our 1 minute of fame. So anyways, yeah, the lottery's over $400 million. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna get up and go to this Bluebird Liquor and I guess stand in line again and try to buy some lottery tickets. But so last night, after I saw it on the news, I went ahead and went to 7-Eleven down the street from me, and I purchased $50 in Mega Millions, which is over $400 million, and then I bought $50 in Powerball, and that's Powerball's for the drawing tonight. But yeah, so I bought some lottery tickets, and then I was thinking this morning that Bluebird Liquor used to have a lot of winners there, and that's why it's famous, because when you go in there, people pet the blue jay or bluebird that's sitting on their desk. or on there by the register. It's just kind of a hole in the wall place, but a lot of people go there and buy lottery tickets. So I'm not doing nothing today, so you know what, I figured, you know what, I'm gonna chance it and go take a drive. So I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I go to the casinos here and there, and I seem to have pretty decent luck. So I'm hoping this luck is on this lottery too. Can you imagine if I hit $400 million? You guys would be part of my adventure, you know, if I actually won. And I would have it recorded. That would be neat. That would be some good content, right? Driving to Hawthorn, California to a Bluebird liquor store. I keep saying that liquor store, but that's where I'm going. So anyways, let's go over there, and then once I get over there, I'll show you guys the actual store. It's, like I said, it's a hole in the wall place. Like it's kind of a rundown place, but a lot of people have hit the lottery there. Check it out. This is Bluebird Liquor Store. Bluebird Liquor. Put my hat on. Let me put my look at Bluebird Liquor. It's a rundown spot. Maybe I'll film with my phone. I'm gonna film with my phone so I don't have to carry the GoPro. But check it out. That's Bluebird Liquor. Rundown spot. But let's get in here. Let's get in here. I'll wear my mask. Let's get in here and yeah, let's get it. Let's go get some tickets. Alright, there's the amount of money for tonight's draw. $410 million. 490 on the mega for Friday. Insane. The bluebird. Bluebird. The lucky bird, right?
And then this one? 50 on mega?
Yeah, 50 on mega and 50 on Powerball. Rub the lucky bird. That's right. Oh yeah. It's smiling. Yeah. Yeah. All right, man. Thank you. Thank you.
They're 29, John. Cut it out.
Look at the winners. These are the winners right here. These are already the winners. Look at that.
Every day.
Yeah. A lot of winners. See that? So this is a bluebird. All right, guys. Did you see that? He rubbed the bluebird. There was a reflection, so I don't know how well it'll turn out. That was recorded with my iPhone 11. So anyways, yeah, hopefully just them rubbing that bird, that's supposed to be good luck. And you see how he spun it? That's good luck. But anyways, that's the bluebird spot, and hopefully we win. We'll have to see. But very cool, right? Look at all the people waiting now. See them back there? There's all the people waiting. So you gotta...
In 1.1 miles, turn right onto what?
Yeah, that's a cool spot. And just the atmosphere is kind of neat, like how, see how friendly they are? Pretty friendly. That guy was pretty cool. So the people before him, they actually scratched. Let me put you guys up on the dash so I don't get in trouble. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna put you guys up on the dash. Let me plug this in. There we go. So yeah, the couple before me, or the people before me, they actually were scratching tickets. So you gotta be real patient here, because I don't know, there's just people, they take their time scratching. I mean, if you're gonna win, you're gonna win, but you can't be in a rush when you're in this liquor store. And there was another guy in here, pulled up in a Mercedes, and he says he spends a lot, and he had a stack full of tickets. He says he wins all the time, 1,000 here, 1,500, just whatever. But I don't know, it's just fun, you know what I mean? This beats just throwing your way at the casino, you know, money at the casino. So anyways, now I'm gonna go get some food. I'm super hungry. So yeah, pretty cool spot. It's a quick, I was only there for maybe about 15 minutes. But I guarantee tonight that line's gonna be super long. It's already getting to where there's a lot of people. Well guys, thanks for joining me on this little adventure. Hopefully I hit the big one. But you know what? Like I said, the excitement's there, but the chances of me winning, or anybody, is slim to none. But it's still fun, you know. It's a good little fun thing to do for today. Like I said, if you guys go buy a if you guys go buy a Powerball or a Mega Million or any type of lottery, only play what you can afford. Like I always tell everyone, you know what? If you can't afford to play, don't play. But if you can, even if you spend, these tickets are $2 per line. So if you only can afford $2, hey, it only takes one full set of 6 numbers to win. So even if you hit 5 numbers, you're gonna win quite a bit. So anyways, thanks for watching, and you know what, I'll be back with more videos. See you guys in a bit.